Welcome to today's video, brought to you by IEPE Limited. In this video, we are going to look at the issue of long cables when attached to IEPE or Integrated Electronic Piezoelectric Sensors, typically accelerometers. The problem we have with long cables is as the cable gets longer, we have a build-up of capacitance. Ultimately, this capacitance builds up to a point where it acts as a low-pass filter. This will attenuate the high frequency content of your signal. You can overcome this by increasing the IEPE supply current. However, of course, this requires certain equipment and not all data acquisition systems have this option. In this video, we will show the effects of long cables on signals, and we will show the benefits of changing and increasing the IEPE supply current to overcome this problem. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. The contact details will be shown at the end of the video. Thank you.